Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hyaluronic acid mask. These masks are fantastic for boosting your skin's hydration, leaving it feeling soft and supple. They work by drawing moisture into the skin, which can temporarily reduce the appearance of fine lines. Let's dive into the simple steps to get the most out of your mask. Before applying your hyaluronic acid mask, proper skin preparation is key. First, ensure your face is completely clean and free from any makeup or impurities. Use your favorite gentle cleanser and rinse thoroughly. Pat your skin almost dry, leaving it just a little damp. This slight dampness helps the mask's serum penetrate more effectively. Now for the application. Carefully unfold the sheet mask and place it onto your face, aligning the holes for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Smooth out any air bubbles to ensure full contact with your skin. Relax for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes. After this time, gently peel off the mask and lightly pat the excess serum into your skin until absorbed. After your mask, don't forget to seal in all that wonderful hydration. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to create a barrier that keeps the moisture locked in. For optimal results, incorporate a hyaluronic acid mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.